back or welcome to my channel. My name is Kyla the Hippie here on YouTube. Today, we're doing like a reset day. It is Sunday. I don't know what day this video is gonna come out, but yeah, it's Sunday, December 23rd or 24th. It's Christmas Eve. This is my cat. And I decided to go grocery shopping and do all my meal prepping today. I'm already almost done, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get together all my meal prep stuff. Well, like, this is my first time doing it. This is how I'm gonna do it. I used to meal prep, but like I stopped. So yeah, I just got groceries and I spent $81.60 and I got everything I needed for the week. I got mason jars and then like containers to put my food in, and that alone was like $30. So the rest of my food I only spent like $52 on. So if you already have that stuff, it's way cheaper. I got a whole bunch of fresh fruit, bananas, blueberries, strawberries, grapes. I put all of those in the freezer, eating frozen goods as a snack. And then like I like to make smoothies every morning. I got some chicken breast for $11.10. That was another expensive one. Other stuff was pretty cheap. I got a whole bunch of cucumbers, sweet potatoes, carrots, zucchini, kale, spinach. I got a couple apples, and yeah, so let's start meal prepping this stuff. I made 2 types of meat for the week. I made some baked chicken with garlic, and then I made some beef with just very light seasonings because I'm trying to lose weight and I don't want to eat anything with so much salt or anything like that. Roasted veggies, zucchini, carrots, sweet potatoes, and then rice, and then these will be like for dinners and stuff. And then for lunches, I'm making salads and I'm putting them in mason jars. Yeah, so let's start putting it together, I guess. I'm just gonna go and put like all of the rice in the bowls, see how many bowls I can get with that. It's actually a mess, but so we've got 3 days where we'll be eating the beef and rice, and 3 days beef and chicken, and then every day I'll like add vegetables to the bowl. So I'm gonna do that. It's all of them all together. It is making me so hungry. It smells so good and looks so good. Probably gonna end up eating one of these for dinner tonight. Starting on the salads, I'm putting them in jars. I seen that on TikTok where you just put the salad in a jar and then dump it out, and it's like perfect size salad. So I'm gonna do those for my lunches, and I figured like if I'm hungry after that, I have fucking a big bag of carrots and all kinds of stuff, so I really shouldn't be too hungry. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna put the dressing in there. I've like a couple are gonna be this Greek yogurt, and a couple are gonna be like ranch. So far, I just have my dressing, cheese, cucumber, and carrot in there. I'm gonna add normal lettuce, spinach, and then I don't know what this was. I saw it at the store and I thought it sounded interesting. It's just green leaf lettuce. I don't know. But yeah, 3 types of lettuce in them. I went ahead and made some Greek yogurt bark. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. It just has frozen Greek yogurt yet, but it has non-fat Greek yogurt. Spread on the bottom, blueberries, strawberries, and honey. And yeah, I'm gonna put that in the freezer. Oh, look at that. Yeah, should be really good. Like once it's done being frozen, I'll break it up off of this and then put it in a bag, and then like it's a nice frozen treat. Yeah, that's everything I made for meals this week. I normally don't really eat breakfast. I normally just eat 2 meals a day. I'll drink like a smoothie when I wake up, and I'll eat lunch like an hour later, and then and then I will I'll eat dinner. Wow, I can't think of words right now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try to get another YouTube video out again. I know this like isn't what I normally post, but I want to start doing like different kinds of videos, not just art videos. I thought I saw someone in my kitchen. It was scary. Anyways, yeah, make sure to go check out my art Instagram. Yeah, have a great freaking day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.